Alright, today we're going to make some praline, hazelnut praline for other products. All we need is 88 grams of table sugar. And I have my stove on hot already, so my pan's kind of warm. It's going to start to melt a little bit, but I'll help it with like half a tablespoon of water. So for hazelnut, you want to caramelize this to a nice golden brown color. And I have a spoon here, but we're not going to use it to stir. Otherwise it's going to crystallize. So we're going to let it just kind of melt until it turns a little golden brown, and we'll stir it by swirling it around. Once we get to that caramelized color, golden brown color, we're going to put the hazelnut in there. So we have about 154 grams of hazelnut, and we toasted it already, so it's nice brown color, and the oil out from the hazelnut is on the surface now, so it's going to be really nice flavorful hazelnut. So it's the same thing as making brittle, but brittle you want to put something like baking soda in it, so it becomes that little brittle, like a little easier to eat. There's air bubbles in it, so you can actually chew on it. This praline here is just really a product that you can use to put into other things. So after we do this, the next video I'll do is going to be making praline paste. So we haven't gotten any caramelized color yet, but I'll show you once we get there. I'll let it sit for a little bit. Over here, I have a nice silk pad. Once I incorporate my hazelnut in there, I'm going to pour it on top and let it sit. Once it cools down, I'm going to break it up in little pieces so we can make praline paste out of it. So essentially, praline paste is just like peanut butter. Very oily. We're going to add a little bit of peanut oil to it. If you have hazelnut oil, that'd be great. It enhances the flavor. It's like making peanut butter without caramelizing the sugar. So the praline is basically the caramelized sugar that gives it that flavor that we're looking for. So praline can go into anything. We're going to put it into, you can put it into pastry cream, make a filling out of it. You can use it crumbling up and put it on tops of cupcakes for that little crunch, little added crunch. So now we're getting a nice, starting to get a little brown, a little light golden color, as you can see here. A little golden color. Not quite there yet. Not all the sugars has caramelized. So we're still going to swirl it around. We're not going to stir it. Getting close to that color. We're going to let it sit for a little bit longer until it starts to bubble. So there's different stages of sugar. The first stage, what we get to is the softball stage, is where it's about 240, 260. That's where you make your Italian buttercream. We pour it into meringue and spin it. Make a nice, you can make marshmallows out of that by putting gelatin in it. So now we're getting color. The temperature where it comes up to about 360, that's where the nice caramel color is about to happen. It's happening right now. Okay. So now we got a nice caramel color. You can see this here. A little nice caramel color. Okay. It's a good time to turn off your heat. Now we're going to add our hazelnut. Now you can actually fold that hazelnut in there so that all the hazelnut's covered with that caramel sugar. coated, we're going to put it right on top of this silk pad so that it can actually harden up, and we'll break it into little pieces. Put it on top here. Press it down a little bit so it's kind of flat. And there you have it, hazelnut praline.